And what's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. Okay, so what's on today's agenda? Today I'm headed to my printers. They are called Glow and they are situated in T Nagar. Now I generally give all my album printing, so my clients that do wedding orders with me, or if I am getting any particular print made, I send it out to Glow printers, which is again in T Nagar, and we are headed there right now. Now Glow mainly does all their printing in Coimbatore and then they send it back to Chennai, unless it's just one print or two prints or something like that, then they do it over here itself. So the quality of printing that they do is pretty high standard quality, and they have different packages in case you are making a wedding album or in case you are just getting a portfolio done or something like that. They have separate packages. So no more further talking, I'm headed there right now. I will go there and catch up with you guys. So if you are approaching T Nagar from the Kodambakam side, the moment you get down from the flyover, look towards your left hand side, you will see Glow Digital Press. It is a nice cute little shop with a numerous number of products that they have already set in packages, so that it will be very easy for you to choose from. Now this on the other hand is something that I am very familiar with. All my clients that I do give out albums to after shooting their weddings absolutely love a package like this. Now this comes with 2 CD racks and 2 album racks as well. So the first tray over there you see is a CD tray and the other 2 are for albums. And generally whenever you pick up a package like this and you put it in front of your client, they are absolutely impressed. Now these are some of the other albums that you would be shown over there, so that you have a rough idea of what paper they have available for you to choose from and what kind of designs they also have. So in case you do want something a little more catered to your taste, you can also ask the team over there to help you out with design work. Now I am a massive Glow promoter because I have been working with them for quite some time, but this is the package that we are there for. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the print itself. Now if you do touch the paper by itself is pretty thin and it has a very silken touch to it. It feels like a very soft material of silk. It doesn't absolutely feel like paper in any stretch of imagination. It's got a very fine milkish tone as well, which gives it that soft smooth feel. Okay, now if you do look at the picture by itself, if you do notice the contrast levels and all that were all shot on film, and I must say that the film, just the film that it was shot on itself is absolutely amazing, and I don't think we would get this particular type of contrast and this particular type of feel even on a digital image today. It's going to be very hard to replicate, considering that this was shot at least about 40 years ago. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so these are all his medals and it just looks absolutely stunning. What a memory and what a personality to have on film. On another instance, if you do actually look at the texture over here in these areas, or say the button, or say just the garment by itself, now most of it is actually caused by the paper that it was originally printed on. So I didn't want to use another paper to cause more grain happening on it, so I decided to go with this particular paper. And we are here right now at the Amjikare market, and check out this place. This looks so fancy right now. Okay, anyway, that is my framer's shop over here, and he's not here at the moment, so I just guess we'll wait for him. But this is some of his equipment that he uses, and these are all the frames that you get to choose from. Now it's time to choose the frame and other things. Is measured and everything is fit in. This is the cutting that is done to make sure that the frame sits perfectly. So I just about got back home in time before it started drizzling. A couple of drops fell on the printer. I picked it up and I ran and came back home. But all is good. Hope you guys like the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Weather. Absolutely amazing. Perfect time to go out for a jog.